How to stop the bleeding in emergency situation. Apply the pressure on the wound on the bleeding side. It's the best way to stop the bleeding. Place a clean and a dry piece of material such as a bandage, towel or cloth on the wound and apply pressure with both the hands. But maintain firm and continuous pressure until the bleeding has stopped. Second is rest the affected area. Reducing the flow of the blood will also help stop the bleeding, so raise the affected area if possible. If injury is to the hand or arm, simply raise it above the head. If the injury is to the lower limb, lie down and raise the affected area above the level of the heart. If still the bleeding is not getting stopped, then third is apply ice. Apply the ice cubes at the bleeding site. Applying ice to the wound will constrict the blood vessels, allowing a clot to form more quickly and stop the bleeding. The best way to apply the ice is to wrap the ice in a clean, dry cloth and place it on the wound. Directly also you can apply the ice on the wound. Fourth is apply tea at the bleeding site. Tea is a popular remedy to treat the bleeding. Place a tea bag that has been allowed it to cool in the freezer and place it on the wound. The tea bag contains the tannins, which are the hemostatic, meaning they can cause a blood clot. Tannins contain an astringent, which causes blood vessel to constrict. It is also a kind of the antiseptic that kills the bacteria and helps the site stay free of infection. Fifth is petroleum jelly. Petroleum jelly, like the Vaseline, many cosmetics including lip balm and Vaseline products contain petroleum jelly. It contains a blend of the oil and waxes that can be used to protect the skin. It can also work as a homemade remedy to stop the bleeding. Petroleum jelly is the best way used to treat bleeding from the shallow cut. Wipe the dry skin beforehand and clean the wound to remove any removing jelly after the bleeding has stopped. Sixth is applying alum on the bleeding side, but it will cause the wound to irritate. But the bleeding will be getting stopped if you apply alum at the bleeding site. Seventh is mouthwash. The alcohol is a mouthwash, act as an astringent, and applying it to the wound helps the blood clot more quickly. Also, aminocaproic acid can help treat bleeding in the mouth caused by the dental work. Because mouthwash contains alcohol, so it will stop the bleeding. Rinse the wound itself with clean water and wash the surrounding area. Avoid using soap to the wound.